All right, ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, we'll talk about the best test series for CAT 2022. So, in order to access the best CAT test series, first of all, we need to understand as to what all things do we get in CAT test series 2022 from FundaMakers. You first have to go to this page, which is CAT course pricing, in which you'll get all the details of the test series for CAT from FundaMakers. If you scroll down, you will see CAT 22 MBA entrance mock test series. We have two versions of test series. One is CAT 22 plus test series, which is CAT mocks plus sectional tests. And another one is the MBA Pro test series, which contains CAT plus ZAT, IFT, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, TestNet, plus GDPI is also included in this test series. So GDPI package is also included. So when you are over with your exams, you don't have to join any other coaching for GDPI preparation. So this is a combo package. So MBA Pro is a combo package, and Plus program is only test series. There are other subtle differences which I will just like to focus on. In CAT 22 plus test series, you get 40 All India mock tests and 30 sectional tests, wherein in Pro series, you get 60 sectional tests. The number of full length mock tests is almost the same in both, which is 40 and 40. But in Plus, you get only 30 sectional tests, 10 each of Cons, DILR, and VARC. And in Pro series, you get 60 sectional tests. That means 20 each for QA, DILR, and VARC. You don't get any topic test in the Plus test series, but you get 225 topic tests in the Pro series. That means Quant 65 test, DLR 60 test, and verbal ability again 50 tests. You don't get and reading comprehension also 50, which you don't get in Plus test series, right? You get monthly GK magazine also, 30 plus other management tests for ZAT, IFT, TestNet, and MAT, SNAP, CMAT. So overall, in this Pro series, you get 40 All India mock tests for CAT and 30 for other management. So overall, it is 70 plus 60 sectional tests. Plus, you get 60 sectional tests in the form of daily test also, which starts in the month of September. So overall, if you see, you have 120 sectional tests and 70 MBA entrance tests in the Pro test series. You also get D school counseling and 40 plus PI and VAT sessions and all these things, which obviously is missing in the Plus test series. However, if you compare the cost to Plus test series happens to be a very good value for money. It is 2000 plus GST. The pricing of the product is 5,000, but currently we are running a rupees 3,000 discount. So that will be 2,000 plus GST. And the Pro mock test series will be of 5,000 plus GST. Now, you'd like to know as to what is the overall portal, and let's explore the portal. For that, you just have to go here, click login. Once you log in, you will register here. You'll buy the mail, you'll buy the product, and then basically you will get in the portal. The portal will look like this. The first thing first is how many days, how many hours are left for CAT 2022, which helps you keep up on the toe. Here you will see the number of available questions. Like if you click here, it will show you we have 10,921 questions available in this test in this portal, and you have 271 tests available. Let's go to the online test thing. If you go to the online test thing, we have topic tests for quants. For quants, we have all these topic tests. Similarly, in DILR, we have the topic test. In verbal ability also we'll have the topic test. The best part is if you go to the topic test, for every question, we have a video solution also. We have a solution and we have a video solution. So basically, you can have both the solutions. In case you do not understand the solution which is written here, you can always click on the video solution, and the video solution will be played out here, right? So it is a complete set. You also have a analysis of the test out here. You just click here and you will have the complete analysis of the test as to what is the topic, what was the difficulty level, what was the average time taken by the students, and everything. Now, we have, if you go to the FundaCAT is the All India test series. If you go here, the window is given here that FundaCAT 1 will be from 25th June to 27th June. FundaCAT 2 will be 9 July to 11 July. Similarly, the window is stated here. So right now, the tests are locked, but the moment the date approaches, this will be an unlocked test, and you can always go ahead and take the test. Now, we'll have 15 All India tests, And we'll have full length tests also. So other 25 tests will be in the format of the full length test like these. Moreover, we have 17 past year papers in the format of the test. So you can always take this. Three full length tests, you can see three full length tests have already been uploaded. Other 22 tests will be uploaded in every week basis. We upload 2 or 3 mock tests. So that goes up to like 25 by the time you take CAT. Now, so overall 25 full length tests and 15 all India mock tests. This is what the overall breakup is. Similarly, you can go ahead and take the sectional test. You'll have 60 sectional tests. You have NMAT, SNAP, IFT, ZAT, TISNET, TISMAT, CMAT, and class tests also, and daily test also. If you look at the daily test, the daily test starts from 1st of September, and every day you get a test, like on 21st September, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. Every day you get a sectional test of a different. For example, on 12th October we'll have DILR mixed test. On 13th we'll have quants. Then on 14th we have VRC. So this is a great way to go and take tests for your grade percentile, right? So this is how your overall portal will look like. In case you want to buy our video lectures, then I'll give you a look of the video lectures also. Here we have all the video lectures which are which for quants, the video lectures are given here. Similarly, for DILR, the video lectures are given. For RC, the video lectures are given. Similarly, if you want to attend the online classes, live classes, live every week, the live classes are scheduled. You can always click and take the live class out here. So that again is not a problem. You can always go ahead and take the sessions out here in live mode also. Every class which you take in the live mode, it is uploaded in the video lecture section. So you can always go ahead and access from the video lecture section. So we have a list of the online classes, live classes. We have list of video lectures uploaded. We have topic tests. We have daily tests. We have sectional tests. We have CAT full length tests. If you buy the test series only, you'll be accessing only the online test section. But if you buy complete material, or you buy maybe a self-paced program or something, that you'll get access to all these things. Similarly, we have class handouts, past year papers, CAT question bank. CAT question bank is again a beautiful concept from our side. In CAT question bank, all the questions from CAT 1994 to 2021, all the questions are arranged in topic-wise manner, right? So you can go to fundamakers.com and check this out. Where do we have it? I'll just show you. If at all you want to check if you at all you want to check this thing, you go to fundamakers.com, you go to CAT question bank in the CAT MBA section, you click here, and you will have this CAT question bank, right? You can see, for example, you want to take the question papers, you can always take these. If you want to take, say you want to solve para summary questions, so as you can see, all para summary questions are given here. In CAT 2021 slot 1, this question was there. Again, you had this question. So all the questions are given in such a manner that you can always go and solve topic-wise CAT questions in a well-arranged fashion, right? So this is something which we have provided. All the students who want to buy the test series, they can always go and buy the test series. The best way is just go to CAT course pricing. You can join our live classes, online class at 35,000 plus GST, but we have rolled out a 20% discount, so you can buy this also. If you want to buy self-paced programs, video lectures, and mock tests, you can buy for 16,000 rupees for 22. And if you want to buy a complete test material, complete test series, then you can go for MBA Pro, which is 5,000 plus GST. And if you want to buy only the mock test series, you can go for 2,000 plus GST. So we have a very, very competitive pricing for the product. You can always go ahead and try us. And in case you want to take a couple of mock tests before you buy your product, then the first 2 all India mock tests are absolutely free with us. You can always go ahead and check the level of the test and then decide for yourself if the product suits you. That's all. Thank you so much. Please visit our website and find more details about the product. Thank you so much.